it's Ian, and today I have a motion sensor LED light strip. Now this is gonna give you that warm, nice lighting wherever you need that extra visibility or accent lighting. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Now this isn't your average LED light strip because it includes a motion sensing module, making this super customizable. First of all, this allows you to adjust the brightness, so you can set this to max brightness or bring it down to a lower dim for those late night trips to the bathroom. But the real star of the show is this motion sensor. Now there are a couple modes that I want to talk about. First is the daylight mode. This is gonna work day or night. So it's gonna turn on whenever it senses motion. Then there's also nighttime mode, meaning this will only operate when the light sensor senses that it's dark out, meaning this will only give you light when you need it most, saving you power. And then of course there's also always on mode. You can also set a timer to control how long the lights stay on after it senses movement. You can set this from 10 seconds all the way up to 2 minutes long. Now this is great to put just about anywhere thanks to the peel and stick backing. Place this underneath the cabinets in the kitchen, put this in the bathroom so you could see where you're going, or you could place this in your bedroom on the trim so you can watch where you're stepping. I personally like to use this on my shelf to highlight my favorite collectibles. Now you're gonna get a generous 13 feet in length, but you can also cut this to size for the perfect length you need. Now this has every feature you can ever want in a light strip, and you're definitely gonna find yourself wanting to place this all around the house. And you're in luck because we have our buy more, save more deal, meaning you're gonna save more with each additional unit you get. So don't wait, head on over to the site and grab yours today.